Don't you just hate procrastination? I hate it as well, and I found a solution. The only reason you procrastinate is because you haven't made a decision. You know, in Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, he dedicates an entire chapter to the discussion of decision. He calls it the mastery to procrastination. Now, I read his chapter several times. My mentor, Bob Proctor, read his chapter more than I could ever imagine. The problem with this chapter is that it does not have the exact steps on how you can master the art of decision making. Like, there's no concrete step-by-step process on exactly what you can do right now after reading this chapter and apply to your life and immediately master the art of decision making. So what I did was I contacted my mentor, Bob Proctor. He was such a nice man to share that with me. And now I have the 4-step process, and I'm gonna share that process with you so you can immediately learn how to make instant decisions and stick to them and become a successful person. Let's get started. So make a decision right now that you are going to be part of that minority of successful people.